What's going on, karate family? It's Juliana Holmes. Today I'm going to be taking you through the form Choong Mu. Choong Mu is named after the given name of Admiral Yi Sun-shin of the Yi dynasty. He was notable because he actually invented the first armored battleship, which was the precursor to the modern-day submarine. This form has 30 movements. As always, you can expect to see a full-speed run-through of the form, followed by a slow-motion walkthrough with narration. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below, and I will see you in the next video. Choong Mu! Okay, and now for our slow motion walkthrough. As always, coming to attention, left foot sliding to right foot, bow, and then returning to ready stance. Quarter turn to the left in a back stance with a double knife hand block. Stepping forward into a forward stance, inside chop with the right, open hand high block with the left. Long turn behind you in a back stance, reinforced knife, followed by a forward stance, horizontal spear hand strike. Quarter turn in a back stance with a knife hand. Back kick behind you, lunge away with a reinforced knife hand block. You're going to take 2 steps, flying side kick with a ki, landing reinforced knife hand chop. You're going to do a 3/4 turn into a back stance with another reinforced knife. Pull the hands back and then grab to the head, slapping down to a knee strike. As you land, turning 180 degrees, parry with the left hand, ridge hand with the right, followed by a spinning round kick and a spinning back kick. Again, a quick change of direction, reinforced knife in a back stance. Another rear leg round kick, landing with the heels together, stepping right foot into a back stance, pull grab, slide back, 360-degree jump spin, landing with a reinforced knife. You're going to slap, step forward with a groin rake, pull back the right hand up a 90-degree angle, left hand in a low block. Slap, step forward with a vertical spear hand strike, 3/4 turn with a reinforced outside block. Step through with the right foot into a straddle leg stance, uppercut followed by a back knuckle strike, rapid fire. Rear leg pivoting side kick followed by a spinning back kick. Quick change of direction into a back stance with a low cross block. Stepping forward with the left foot in a forward stance, 3 count rising palm strike, double rising palm strike. Short turn behind you with a high block followed by a reverse punch in rapid succession. That's going to be your last ki. You're going to return to ready stance. And as always, finish with attention and bow. There it is. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. As always, if you want to help me grow the channel, please like and subscribe. I do have a Patreon if you want to check it out. And have a fantastic day. I'll see you in the next video.